Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling the right settings and choosing the area to save. Open Google Maps, sign into your Google account, then tap your profile and select Offline Maps. Once done, choose Select Your Own Map, pinch and drag to frame the region. Larger areas increase file size and download time, so pick the smallest area you need. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and plugged in. This avoids data charges and interrupted downloads while the app prepares the files. Next, you'll control where and how maps are stored and kept current. After framing the region, tap Download and give the offline map a short descriptive name. This helps when you have multiple areas. Go to Offline Map Settings to enable auto-update on Wi-Fi and choose storage, internal or SD card, if available. Once downloading, monitor progress in offline maps. If interrupted, resume manually. These controls reduce stale data and prevent running out of space during future downloads. Finally, learn to use and maintain your offline maps so they stay useful. Open Google Maps while offline, search and navigate within saved areas, and the app will use your offline data automatically for driving directions and basic searches. Make sure to update offline maps periodically, around every 15 to 30 days, so new roads and POIs are included. If a map won't load, clear the Maps app cache, check storage permissions, and re-download the region. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.